Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to make jeera rice with peanut gravy. This rice is very aromatic and tasty and can be paired with peanut gravy. This spicy gravy is very easy to make and is very delicious. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. First let's make jeera rice. For that, in a pan add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Wait for it to melt. Let's add the garam masalas, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves and bay leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of jeera, also called cumin. Fry it for a while. A quarter cup of fresh green peas. This is 2 cups of rice. Saute it in the ghee for a minute or two. This is 4 cups of water. The ratio is 1:2. That is, for 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Keep the flame on medium heat and bring it to a boil. Now the water has come to a nice boil. Bring the flame to low heat and cook for 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes now. Let's check the rice. It's perfect, cooked well. Give it a quick mix. Our aromatic jeera rice is ready. Let's make peanut gravy. Soak the peanuts for 6 to 8 hours. Boil it or keep for about 2 whistles. Let's grind the ingredients into a fine paste. For that I have taken 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 8 to 10 cashew nuts, quarter cup of boiled peanuts, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, half tablespoon of garam masala. Into a pan add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of jeera, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 onions finely chopped, add little salt for the onion to cook faster. Saute it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Add 2 dry red chilies and a few curry leaves. Saute it for a while. Let's add the ground paste. Mix all of this well and keep the flame on medium. Gravy is getting thick. I am adding this mixie jar water in which I ground the paste. Give it a nice mix. Add boiled peanuts with the water. Do not discard it. It has lot of nutrients. Do try this delicious recipe. It's a very good combination. You'll definitely like it. Do share your feedback about the recipes in the comments below. Now add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. It's a dry one. Crush it in your palm and add for extra aroma. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.